Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to talk to you about our May grab and go craft bag. So I was reading one of my favorite picture books, and this is Philippe in Monet's Garden. And this is about a frog who lives in France and does not want to be captured and cooked and served in a French restaurant for dinner. So Philippe has to find some safety, and he finds it in Monet's garden. And so I was thinking about gardening and looking at some of our other picture books. A Garden of Opposites, which is fun if you're comparing opposites, maybe big and small, long and short. And it's in all things in the garden. And there's another picture book. This is Lighthouse Seeds, and this is based on a true story. It's about a lighthouse keeper who lives up in Maine, and he and his family love all the wildflowers that grow around the lighthouse. And when they're transferred to another lighthouse that is out on a barren island, it's how they capture some seeds and how they're going to make their island beautiful. So, and then we also have books as you're out on your walk and you're seeing flowers that you might not know the names of. In our nonfiction section, we have books that will help you identify the flowers you're seeing that are starting to bloom. So we decided that you could make some flowers in our grab and go bag. So in there will be some cupcake papers that you can flatten out and you can use to make some flowers. There'll be some sticks that you can make stems with. So if you have a little tape or a little glue, you can decide how you're doing that. There'll be cups in there and there'll be stickers in there, and you can make your own little flower garden. So we hope to see you soon in the children's department, picking out some garden books and some grab and go crafts. Have a great day.